We'll guide you through how to choose between Printful and Printify for your print-on-demand business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the websites of both Printful and Printify. You'll want to explore their product catalogs and pricing options. Printful tends to offer a slightly higher price point, but they are known for their premium quality and extensive product range, including custom branding options. On the other hand, Printify provides more competitive pricing with access to multiple print providers, which can be a great choice if you're looking to optimize costs. Next, check out the integration capabilities. Printful integrates smoothly with several platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, making it easy to connect your store. Printify also offers similar integrations, but with a wider range of print providers, giving you more flexibility if you want various production locations. Then consider the shipping options. Printful offers global shipping with detailed tracking, which is perfect if you want your customers to have a seamless experience. Printify shipping can vary depending on the print provider you choose, so it's important to check the specific policies for each provider. Customer support is another important factor. Printful is known for its responsive and helpful customer service, which can be crucial when you're dealing with customer inquiries or issues. Printify offers support as well, but since it relies on third-party providers, resolving specific issues might take a bit longer. Finally, evaluate the user interface and ease of use. Printful's interface is user-friendly and straightforward, while Printify provides a versatile platform that gives you more control over provider selection. Your decision might ultimately come down to whether you prioritize quality and brand control, which would point you toward Printful, or if cost and flexibility are your main concerns, which might make Printify the better choice. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.